Okay, we are chasing. It is May 24th. We are just northeast of Tucumcari. We're in Logan, New Mexico. And I've got Elizabeth and Sarah with me. And first day chasing in like 10 days for me. Excited to be back. We already have a storm going up. And I'm hoping today's good. We have really good cheer. We have enhanced. We have 5% tornado. It's great. Hopefully a start of just like days and days of chasing, especially that for the end of May and June. It's usually the best time to chase. So hopefully today's good. I think we're gonna get some structure. All right, so we already got our first storm. Maybe the storm of the day. As you can see, already looks good. Nice anvil spreading out, nice base on it. This is it's just west of Logan, New Mexico. Oh, saw a CG, just striking there. This thing already has a lot of lightning on it. So we're kind of unsure what this is gonna do because it could turn towards us and start. It's supposed to really go southeast, so we don't wanna go north of it and we wanna kind of bide our time. Oh, another bolt, my God, maybe it's time for the 100 to 500. But the bolts are landing right in there. We got a nice up high view right now where lightning strikes are landing. See if I see another one. Reposition, the storm is junky, but we got some nice big mammatus over us right now. I'm kind of waiting for this thing to get its act together. It's trying to organize a little bit, but mammatus is cool. Elizabeth likes it. They look nice. There have been a lot of big bolts. Now we move closer. Hopefully they start up again because they haven't been very good for a little while. Oh, whoa! Whew, things taking shape, it's looking good. Big bolts coming out of this thing too. Backside over there looks interesting. Whoa, we're right underneath this thing. I think it's gonna move. God, I don't know which direction to go. Ooh. Look at that blue up there, my God. This is some nasty shit. That's some RFD wrapping around craziness. Out of the rain, pretty storm. boost. Get a bath, Vera, get a bath. Well, very good day. The structure and time lapse were nice, but man, 2 bolts I caught were just some of the best I've caught in a long time. This was very close. If you see the zoom in, I mean, it landed right there. Just spectacular. And then a little bit later, this one, you know, and it was the only bolt that landed there. We were standing there for like 20 minutes. That's why you set up your camera, why you set up your lightning trigger, just in case. But it looks like it landed in front of this turbine. Oh, and a bug I gotta get rid of. And then at sunset, this supercell, gnarly supercell, great bolt penetrating the cloud layer there, just really, really cool. So with all the time lapses, what a great chase.